Light gels are an incredibly valuable tool for both filmmakers and photographers. They come in many different colors and strengths, and if you're just starting out, it can be somewhat confusing. In this video, I want to explain what the different numbers and letters mean on a pack of light gels. There are many gels out there that are made to add color and to stylize your videos and pictures. They are less varied in the strengths, and there are not as many options available, and finally they're somewhat easier to understand. Because of that, I want to talk about color temperature orange and color temperature blue gels. First, let's talk about color temperature blue, or CTB. Color temperature blue is used to convert tungsten lights into a daylight color. Obviously they are blue, and they come in different strengths. A typical pack comes with an eighth, quarter, half, full, and double. These are my personal favorite gels, and I'm a big fan of half and quarter. As you may notice, there is no 3/4. Because of that, I like to mix them together sometimes and make a very unique strength that is specific for my purpose or light that I'm using. One thing to note, when you start stacking gels, the stronger the value of the gel and the more of them you stack, the less light that is going to be transmitted. So if we start stacking 2 or 3 layers of gels on top of each other, the overall light is going to be much less, and this is something that you will really notice with an LED light. The major difference between a quarter strength and a double strength is mainly the opacity. Much less light is going to come out of a double than a quarter, and in turn giving you less of the color that you're wanting, in my case, blue. The other major gel that a lot of people work with is color temperature orange, or CTO. This is basically just taking the opposite of our CTB. It will take a daylight light and convert that to a tungsten value. Very similar to our CTB gels, these come in different strengths and will definitely affect the amount of orange that you get out of the light. Other than that, the way the gels work are very similar to CTB and CTO. Once you understand the fundamentals of them, it's not too confusing. You can kind of apply this knowledge to everything else. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll do my best to help you. If you like this video and found it informative, leave it a like and click the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with Help Tech 128, and I'll see you in the next one.